Okay. Chicken.
Can you sing this song?
Clean up, everybody, clean up, everybody, do your share. Clean up, clean up.
Good job. Good job. Now can you close the box, please?
And now we close the box.
And
now we go to the box.
Close it.
Close it.
Good job. Let's close it. Now, can you take the letters from the table, please? What do you do with them? What letters are these? Tell me which letters. This is... What letter is this?
E.
And what letter is this?
D.
Right. Where is the L and the A?